Listen and repeat. Слушайте и повторяйте. Apple, angel, apricot, ant, anchor, airplane, arm, album, acorn, ambulance, apron, astronaut, bus, ball, basket, bread, bag, bee, butterfly, bird, baby, balloon, bananas, bicycle, block.